What's going on, everybody? This is Brandon Pleer, coming from you live from my car. This was the perfect time for me to get this off of my chest, so, let's do it. I'm not going to take up too much of your time, and if you stay tuned at the very end, I got some good information for you, so definitely just stay tuned. So basically, I just come here today. I just wanted to go over this piece, and basically just wanted to go over why. Why now, or why in general, you know what I mean? So basically what I mean by why is why do I do what I do? You know what I mean? I'm an entrepreneur. I work full time. I'm actually also a savior to the community as well. So, I do things in the community as far as like giving back and so forth. And, why? Why do I do this? You know what I mean? It's simple. I want more. And you can't do more with just a 9-to-5 job. I work a 9-to-5 job. I get paid $16.25 an hour. Okay, 80 hours every 2 weeks. Okay, great benefits, great vacations, all that. You know what I mean? But there's something missing. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, I don't get to enjoy what them 80 hours do for me. I don't get to enjoy it because at the end of the day, I have bills, I have child support, I have life. You know what I mean? Because everybody who's, grown up has bills. So, you know what I mean? That's just one source of income that's contributing to your whole life. You know what I mean? You being able to live, you being able to, go out and do the things that you want to do. You can't do that if you're sitting stuck paying bills and so forth. So, after a long period of going through the same pattern, going through the same cycle, I kind of got tired of that. So what I ended up doing was that, Instagram ended up being such a gold mine back in 2014, and a lot of people were doing different opportunities. I know you came across the pay 100, get paid 1,000, and all that type of stuff. I fell for that type of stuff. You know what I mean? Because I was looking for such an opportunity to do something different or to make some extra money. And I never even sat back to think that may not be the right way to do it because, nothing really happens overnight. So, I got scammed once, but it didn't stop my pursuit of finding another opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. So, with that being said, I came across a fabulous opportunity back in 2014 to get into network marketing and start my own home-based business, and I took advantage of it. And, I had zero experience. I didn't know exactly what I was doing at all. I just followed the hype and followed what everybody else was doing, and it came out with some short-term success. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but it was also temporary, and I was back at square one. So why do I do this? I do this because I know there's more out there than what a 9-to-5 can bring to me. I do this because my family depends on me, whether they know it or not. That's why I do this. So when you ask yourself, or if you ask another person, well, why do they do what they do? Don't be surprised that be their result. So with that being said, like I said, I'm not going to hold too much of your time. I want to thank you for holding on to the end because that means you were really in tune to what I said. I obviously provided value, and I appreciate that as we get started with these series of videos. So basically, what I wanted to have you wait to the end for is that if you are looking to start your own home-based business, there is definitely an opportunity for you. And below this video, you can find a link that will share some information with you about the opportunity. It'll go into a brief detail, and and we can definitely go from there. All is required is a name and an email, nothing further. So it'll take maybe about 5 or 10 minutes of your time. So definitely look into that. Or if you have questions about, why I'm into this industry or why I'm doing what I'm doing, feel free to send me an email. My email is always open. My email is Brandon Pleer. That's BRANDON Pleer, P as in Paul, LEAR @gmail.com. Or you can follow me under Facebook at the same name, Brandon Pleer, or you can follow me on Instagram, __82. All the information will be under the link below. So I definitely appreciate you taking your time and tuning in. Until next time.
Really big rings, they need some really nice things. Better be coming with no strings. Better be coming with no strings. We need some really nice